Hi, and welcome to our review of one of the giants in the peer-to-peer lending world, Ratesetter. Everything that you need to know about Ratesetter. Hi, and welcome to peer-to-peer-lending-tips.com review of Ratesetter, one of the giants in the peer-to-peer lending world. So Ratesetter was established in October of 2010 and rapidly became one of the big players in the peer-to-peer lending world. For borrowers, the two things that stand out about Ratesetter, if you want to borrow money, is the speed and simplicity that you can do that with Ratesetter. After your initial application, you can actually receive the money from Ratesetter within 24 hours. I mean, that's an incredibly fast service. The whole thing is very, very easy to do and to set up. So there's no mystery why it's so popular with borrowers. Ratesetter is quick, simple, and you get your money within 24 hours. Okay, let's look at Ratesetter as from the perspective of an investor. Why would you choose Ratesetter over other peer-to-peer lending platforms? Well, the first answer is because they are one of the giants. They're one of the most established in the world. They're an enormous company. They're not going anywhere. Again, from an investing point of view, it's very easy to lend out your money with Ratesetter. However, Ratesetter is a little bit different. It's no longer a pure peer-to-peer lending platform. What I mean by this is when you lend out through other platforms, Funding Night, Funding Circle, you diversify your risk and spread out your loans to many, many different companies to maximize your return, lower your risks. Ratesetter is different. With Ratesetter, you're matched with a borrower and you lend the money to the borrower. Of course, it's anonymous. What this also means, though, is Ratesetter have a built-in safety feature called the Provision Fund. Now, currently, there's about £12.6 million in this provision fund. And the provision fund is there to recompense you as an investor if your loan repayments are late or not made. And as a result of this, since the provision fund was set up, not one single investor has lost one single penny with Ratesetter. That's amazing. Let me repeat that. Not one single investor has lost one single penny. But this comes at a cost. Because it is so secure and because of the way they're operating, your returns are going to be lower. So for example, if you were lending out with Funding Night, you're going to make circa 8%. If you're lending through Funding Circle, you'll make circa 6%. With Ratesetter, your money is going to be tied up for a longer period of time, 1 through 5 years, and your interest is going to be accordingly lower. So, for example, lending out at 5 years with Ratesetter, you can expect a return of about 5%. Now, 5% is absolutely great, but it's not 8%. And that's the trade-off between the provision fund, the safety net that Ratesetter has, and the amount of return you're going to make. So there we go. Ratesetter, one of the big players, and for many people, one of the best options there. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. Now, please do go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And for lots more information, go to peer-to-peer-lending-tips.com. Thank you.